Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Use 4 cups mini marshmallows, 1 cup crushed graham crackers, and 4 tablespoons unsalted butter. Measure ingredients precisely. 1 cup crushed crackers for the base and 1 cup extra for coating gives texture. Finely crush crackers to about 1 to 2 pieces for even coating. Melt butter and marshmallows together over low heat until smooth, about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Line a sheet pan with parchment and set aside so you can transfer and cool the finished balls without sticking. After the marshmallow mixture is smooth and glossy, add 1 teaspoon vanilla and a pinch of salt, then stir to distribute flavor evenly. This balances sweetness. Transfer the mixture to a shallow bowl or sheet pan and let it cool slightly at room temperature for about 5 minutes. Refrigerate mixture for 30 minutes to firm slightly, making rolling easier so balls hold their shape. Use a tablespoon scoop. Roll 1 tablespoon portions into balls and coat in 1 cup extra graham crumbs for a crisp outer texture. Once formed, chill the balls on the parchment-lined pan for 10 minutes to set the coating and firm centers. Store marshmallow graham balls in an airtight container for up to 3 days at room temperature or 7 days refrigerated. Separate layers with parchment to prevent sticking. For chocolate coating, melt 4 ounces semi-sweet chocolate and dip balls, chilling 10 minutes to set for a glossy finish. To make 12 servings, use about 4 cups mini marshmallows, yielding roughly 24 1 tablespoon balls. Adjust quantities proportionally for larger batches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.